Today I am shooting some spooky self-portraits at home. Hey, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to my channel. I like to talk about all things creative photography related. So if that's your jam, hit subscribe and the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time I upload a video. Today I wanted to do a few more spooky self-portraits before we get to Halloween. And unfortunately, it's snowing outside, which is scary, but not the kind of scary that I'm going for. So I decided to do my self-portraits at home, and I'll be taking these photos in my downstairs studio. So let's get into it.
Just 1 year ago, everything was growing inside. Backed up months ago, it is getting harder each time. I think I hear you now, turning as a calling, reach out. All is going wild, I can't even get through the night. Where did you go, our love? It felt so right. Now I can't get you off my mind. It's spinning like a circle and I keep walking outside. Maybe if I touched you right, maybe I can put up a fight. Oh baby, did I hold you too tight? Well, not tonight. I get home too late, life is getting busy at day. I keep my schedule up, filling it with meetings and stuff. But now it's fall again, hearing voices sing through the night. Where are you, off my friend? Maybe you could love me again. Where did you go, my love? It felt so right. Now I can't get you off my mind. It's spinning like a circle and I keep walking outside. Well, maybe if I touched you right, maybe I could put up a fight. Oh, baby, did I hold you too tight?
Thanks for checking out my spooky self-portraits today. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on all of the things I'm creating. I'm going to leave you now with some more autumn photo shoot ideas.